Good morning, class. Today we are doing math page 17 and 18. It's titled Checking Multiplication. Just like our last lesson we were doing multiplication, it's going to be the same things, but now we're going to show you how to check it to make sure your answer is correct. 1 Corinthians 2:9 says, "No eye has seen, no ear has heard, no mind has conceived what God has prepared for those who love Him." Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We'll start at the class practice. It says to find the products and check. If you remember from the previous lesson, the product is the answer. So what they're saying here is find the answers and then check it. So we'll do what we did yesterday, finding the answers, and then we'll also check it. 3 times 7 is 21, so I'll put a 1 there, carry the 2. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 2 more is 29. I need to get rid of the 2 at the top. I'll cross it out, but you need to go ahead and erase it. Now we'll put our 0 here. 2 times 7 is 21. Put a 1 here, carry a 2. And 2 times 9 is 18, plus 2 more is 20. Now we need to add our two partial products together. Gives us 1 here. 9 plus 1 is 10, so we're going to put a 0, carry a 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, and then we bring down the 2. Put a comma there. Now, before we circle it, usually circle our answer here, but before we do that, we need to go ahead and show you how to check it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 97 here, and I'm going to put it down on the bottom, and my 23 here, I'm going to put it up at the top. (23) times 97. And that's how you check it, by switching them. 7 times 3 is 1, carry the 2. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 more is 16. Put a 0 here. Now you're going to add up your tens. You're going to multiply your tens. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry a 2. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 more is 20. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2. Now, look. These two numbers aren't the same. This number here is not the same as this number. And so what that tells us is we did something incorrect. And that's what checking will do for you. It'll show you whether you got the answer correct or not. And so I'm going to start all over here. I need to erase all my writing. And though it might take a little extra work, it'll make sure that you do the problems correct. It'll give you a better grade, and it'll allow you to do the best job that you can. So we'll try this again. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 9 is 27. Alright? 2 times 7 is, I'll put a 0 there. Oops, I lost it. I need to start again here. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 2 more, 29. 2 times 7, and I need to put a 0 here. 2 times 7 is 14. carry a 1. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Now we add this up. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 2 plus 9 is 12. And 2. And so we get 2,231. Let's check it. Make sure we did it correct. Switch the numbers. 23 on top, 97 on the bottom. Seven times 3 is 21. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 more is 16. Now we'll put a 0 here. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry a 2. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20. One plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 7 is 13. We need to carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And we bring our 2 down. And look, now our numbers are the same. This is our answer here. You can put a check mark by the other one because it's saying yes, it checks. It is correct. So we've circled our answer and we just put a check mark by the other one. A lot of work. Hopefully, most of the time, if you're getting them right, you won't have to go back and check it like we did there. Okay, next one. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry a 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. We need to put our 0. Go ahead and erase that 1 at the top. I need to cross it out. Okay, 6 times 3 is 18. And 6 times 4 is going to be 24 plus 1, 25. Add up our numbers. Oops. So we get 2,795. Put a comma here. I'm not going to circle it yet because I don't know if that's our answer or not. I need to check it. I'm going to put the 43 on the bottom and the 65 on the top in checking this. Three times 5 is 15. Carry a 1. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. I'm going to put a 0 and do my second column. I need to get rid of the 1 at the top. 4 times 5 is 20. Put a 0 here, carry a 2. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 more is 26. I'm going to go ahead and add these up. 5, 9, 1 plus 6 is 7. Bring down the 2. And these two numbers are the same, so that means it checks. We go ahead and circle our correct answer, put a check mark over there, showing that it did check, that it is correct. Okay, and so you're going to do the rest of these on your own. You'll be checking for each one. Remember, if it does not check, you have to go back and figure out where your mistake is. To help you finish this, remember that a rodent's teeth, they'll never stop growing. The teeth will always continue to grow. Now, what happens is rodents, their teeth will wear down as they're constantly gnawing on bark or leaves or other things. And so their teeth will never stop growing. These are different rodents. My favorite one, I don't know. They're all so cute. Actually, some of them are gross. I don't know. Go ahead and finish the rest on your own. You guys are so smart. I know you'll do well.